welcome back to another video. Today we are starting our very own garden in our backyard. We just got home from Home Depot and we changed. So ignore the new fit. But here are some of our clips from Home Depot picking out everything. We are getting this open bottom one so that we can stick it in our ground. And we got the bigger size one. Hopefully it fits in our car. We're getting 2 more bags because we think we need just a little bit more to fill it up. Plus our dogs have dug some holes in our backyard. So I really want a lemon tree. But EJ is literally telling me no. And I want one so bad. We've got, he's moving away from me, cucumber, cilantro, and tomato.
What else did you want to do?
A lemon tree. A little cramped, but we got it all. Got our plants back there. Soil rake, shovel. We ended up getting cucumbers, tomatoes, cilantro, and aloe vera. Okay, EJ just unloaded the car. We got our soil, manure, our very small plant selection. This bad boy.
Feeding trough that's not actually a feeding trough.
Yeah, it's literally just...
Missing the bottom?
Yep. So, our plan is to take... Well, first we're going to push this in the ground just a little bit. Then we're going to take all these dead leaves and literally... Well, maybe not all of them, but most of them. And put it in here so that it raises it up just a little bit. And then put the soil and stuff on top. And then plant.
Yeah, here. Let's try this.
What?
Hold my hand.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Okay. Let's not break. Nah, the ground's not even, so it's not like all going in. Okay, get down, get down, get down. Terrible idea. Terrible idea. Hi, Boone. Hello. What? You're okay. There's our worm. Is there? Oh!
Just dropped him. He's fine. Wormy.
Oh, here's another one.
Alright, so we take some of this.
Oh, that's a rock. Here we go, first bag. Yeah, we definitely got too much soil. Hey, it'll be nice and raised though. Oh.
And mix it in real good.
Ew! I'm literally touching cat poop. That does.
Oop, I just want some capping out.
Waste it. Yeah, this is nice and full. Alright. So last bag of soil.
Alright,
So the good thing is that EJ has some gardening experience. I have zilch, no green thumb here, and then I'm just learning. And I'm here for the fun of it. Okay, cucumber here. I don't know how to do this. Oh gosh. Oh yeah, this is the one that I accidentally squished. Oh, look at that. Look at those roots. That's crazy. Okay, gotta make sure this guy gets in there. Because he kind of fell out at the place. We got Roma tomatoes. So that's what these are. We got all of this from Home Depot. Squish, 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 squish. Once again, guys, no idea what I'm doing.
Yeah, you're doing fine.
But it looks like it's working pretty well. Oh, I didn't make it deep enough.
That one, yeah.
Dig, dig, dig.
I feel like we have like a bucket or something.
a bucket. I'm supposed to break up the roots a little bit. So let's put her back. Oh yeah, this is looking so good. See, and our name tag. Beep. These were like the smallest though, weren't they?
Yeah, the smallest one they had.
Yeah, this was the smallest one they had.
I don't really know. They're not ready for the basket, but
Maybe it'll help them train it. I don't know. Look what EJ just found. A bigger pot for our second tomato. Is it a bush or is it a tree?
I don't know. It's not a tree.
Or tomato bush. Or is it a vine? I don't know.
It's a plant.
Okay.
That's what
Well, do you want me to do that? Okay. Oops.
Oh yeah, I can smell that cilantro now.
Okay.
I like that.
Look at these pretty aloe vera plants. I love watching the aloe vera TikToks where they split them open and then get all the aloe out. I just think that is really cool. Put those roots, set it down in there. Oh gosh. Ah! Well, go fill it with soil right now with this bag. Oh wow, that one just like fell apart. So here is our garden. Looking so good. Makes me happy. Rating of difficulty, pretty easy. Our cucumbers might die because we have 2 broken stems and then 2 good ones. I am most hopeful about our tomatoes and cilantro. I'm going to continue this video throughout the week as I water and then we'll check up on them later. Okay, it's Thursday, so it's like 4 days later, and I just thought I would give you guys a little plant update. This first little guy has honestly grown so much. He's one of our stronger ones. This tomato is doing pretty good. I don't know, I think he's growing more out than he is up. Our sad little guy that's definitely dead. This one, strong. Not as tall as the other one, but still pretty tall. I think this tomato has done the most growth upwards. And then my aloe, I don't know, I'm kind of nervous. I think this one looks better than this one. I'm not a pro, but yeah, I don't know. So we'll see. This one definitely seems to be like stronger and sturdier. This guy's a little flimsy, but not terrible. But then our cilantro, taking the main event, has grown a lot. Looks so good. I even think these are new sprouts. I think these are new sprouts. I don't really know. Okay, it is Monday, so it's officially been a week and 1 day since we have planted our garden. I went on a volleyball tournament this weekend, so EJ was in charge of watering the plants. Boone, you're okay, bud. So here's what they're looking like so far. This guy's honestly confusing me because like these leaves look bigger but like his stem is completely broken. But I mean, like, if it's working, it's working. This guy has grown so much. Oh gosh, I missed. Oh gosh. Sorry. I don't think he has grown much. I think he's grown more out than up. He's doing great. He looks thriving. This guy, I could honestly probably pull him out. I think he is long. Yeah, he's not rooted at all. Oh yeah, that's sad. Okay. Bye-bye. Next, this tomato has definitely grown more up than out. Sadly, yeah. Sadly, my aloe. My aloe is struggling. So wand 12 looks great. Nice and tall. I don't know when we need to start pruning this thing, but it looks great. So I went to Walmart, got another aloe because I really wanted this to work. And this time I did a little bit more research. I was overwatering it. You're supposed to water aloe. Stop. Please stop. You're supposed to water aloe once a week, and I was watering it every day. So, no, don't. So I'm going to fill this up, put my new aloe in it, and not water it so much because I was overwatering it. She's very tall and beautiful and green. I'm ready to try again. These roots actually look really good. I don't know what roots are supposed to look like, but these are like greenish yellow. I feel like that looks healthier. I'm sorry, he's just the cutest. He's getting so big. Ugh, okay. Okay guys, after a week of filming, I feel like that is pretty good progress that we have seen. Loving how it turned out. Hopefully this next aloe vera plant does better. I honestly kind of hope that this one has a good redemption story. Because like the leaves were kind of brown, but like these two are really big and really strong. So I feel like this is a good spot to end off. We will give you guys updates, do not worry. Make sure to subscribe so you can see those updates. We hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you guys in the next one. Deuces!